What the hell's this thing right here? Bright yellow object. Whoa. Moving left, just moving left to right. I mean right to left. Moving left, what the hell is that thing? Can't tell. I have to, that's not no plane. Nothing I've ever seen like that before. No, that's, look at that, I put the night vision on, look at that. It's all crooked. Going away from me, that's crooked, that is not a typical plane if it is. What is that? This is too weird. It's crooked or something too. Just because it has a blinking light doesn't mean it's a plane either. And there was no sound heard. It was moving pretty fast. I've been doing this enough years, I should know this. If this is a plane, it's not a typical one at all. It's going behind the tree. It's going to be gone now. Damn.